Hi, we are team number 6, and we talk about teachers and student use of language. We are Jared Monserrat Velázquez Cisneros, Maribel Comanzi Romano, and Dolores Ideis Leon Roldan.
First, teachers use of vocabulary. It's very common that the teacher use instructional language is because he needs to guide the planned activities to be able to release in a correct manner. Then, using questions, teachers should ask the students if they have understood the topic correctly or if they have doubts to solve them. Feedback techniques. It's important that the teacher give feedback to make sure that the students have understood. We can give feedback with the help of questions, identifying the students' difficulties, and how the learning is carried on, etc. It's necessary explain vocabulary and grammar for the students because they need to amplify their vocabulary. This manner, the students can be express their ideas about some topic, use their vocabulary or say sentences with the correct structure.
And now I am going to explain about this. It's how students communicate in the classroom among their classmates and with the teacher. For example, when students work in teams to do an activity, they talk in the target language, in this case English, and they use it to do the activity. But sometimes it's necessary to use the mother language, in this case Spanish, because children or students in general aren't going to know everything in English. Even we as university students, sometimes we cannot complete an idea in English, so it's necessary to use Spanish instead of. But in the other hand, the student use of language is how the student takes information or asks questions. In this part, we release if they have with punctuation, with grammar, with vocabulary, or any other. But the most important thing is we can release how the students feels this new knowledge and if they understand or not. And that's all about my part.
And the end, the classroom use of language. In the part of teachers, they need be direct and genuine, know when to be silent. For the students, they need focus on actions and give it breath. In language classroom is takes on a specialty significant role in that is both medium through which learning is realized and need an object of pedagogical attention. So they also create mutual understandings of their roles and relationships and the norms or explanation of their involvement as members on their classrooms. It's all.